computer network, web service is a method of communication between two electronic devices over a network. Or simply we can say that it's a software function provided by at a network address over the web with the service is always on as the concept of utility computing. Web service is a service offered by an electronic device communicating with each other via World Wide Web. Web services running on computer device listing for request at a particular port over a computer or a network serving web document and creating web application service which serve in a solving a specific domain problem over the web. Web services are originally designed for human to machine communication used to transferring machine readable file formats such as XML and JSON. Web service describe an standard way of integrating web applications using XML, SOAP, WSDL and UDDI open standard over an internet protocol backbone such as IP, TCP/IP. Many organizations use multiple software systems for management. Different software systems often need to exchange data with each other. Web service is a method of communication that allows two softwares to exchange this data over internet. The software system that requests data is called service requester, whereas the software system that would process the request and provide the data is called service provider. Different softwares use different programming language and hence there is a need for a method of data exchange that doesn't depend upon a particular programming language. Thus, web service can use XML for data exchange. Certain rules for communication between different systems need to be defined, such as first, how can one system can request data from another system. Second, which specify parameters are needed in data request. Third, what would be the structure of the data produced. Normally data is exchanged in XML file and structure of the XML file is validated against an XDS file. Fourth, what error message to display when a certain rule of communication is not observed to make troubleshooting easier. These certain rules are well defined in used web services. Web services require a set of rules that ensure the secure and proper data communication over network. So we need a common network protocol. Network protocol is an established set of rules that determine how data is transmitted between different devices in a same network. It allows connected devices to communicate with each other regardless of any difference in their internal processing structure or design. Network protocols are the reason you can easily communicate with people all over the world. Computer network protocol perform three primary actions. First, communication. Second, network management. Third, security. One of the most common protocol used in internet is transmission control protocol or internet protocol. It allows one computer to talk to another via internet through compiling packets of data and sending them to right location. TCP/IP is a standardized rule that allows computer to communicate a network such as the internet. TCP/IP is a collection of protocols that include transmission control protocol, internet protocol, and user datagram protocol, and many others. Each these protocols has specific functions. Transmission control protocol is a connection-oriented protocol which ensures reliable communication and uses port to deliver packet. In transmission control protocol, a connection must be built using handshake process. In handshake process, it establishes a direct communication between sender and receiver with start and acknowledgement signal before information is sent or received. User datagram protocol. It is a connectionless protocol. It allows information to be sent without using a handshake process. It is used to transfer relatively small amount of information. Internet protocol. It is also a connectionless protocol responsible for providing address of each computer and performing routing. IP address is allocated by Internet protocol.